made.
We're gonna
Here you go. You want to make sure you just really well. You can just walk away and just go do a load of laundry or do something, and then make sure it just has a lot of time to do it really well.
And
then what I like to do,
frosting.
yeah. And what I like to do is just mix it up, make sure everything in the bottom has been mixed up, and then I like to just plop it onto my cake. Get all of it on first. So I scoop it all out, plop it on.
I'm gonna start making frosting. You can even with this.
Here, wait. This,
And
I don't like this spatula as well. Just put it on in the middle, and then I just spread. And the same would be don't touch it. The same would be if you did two, maybe 8-inch rounds or 9-inch rounds. And then I like to just dump the frosting right in the middle, and then I spread. And you want to make sure you have a good spatula. I can't find my good one right now, so I'm using this one, and it doesn't spread as well, but this just gives you an idea.
Mommy, can I lick the rest of the frosting off?
And sometimes you can use one of these.
Huh?
Hang on. Okay. And this now has become, this is the third cake we've made in about 10 days since we've been quarantined. And now it's been dubbed the COVID cake. And we've had some people on Facebook ask us how we do it, and there's really nothing that's special about it. So that is COVID cake. Enjoy.
Everyone say bye.
Say bye.
This is so yummy.